In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed step of how to install custom plugins on Vencord. Step number 1, locate the Vencord installation, then find the main directory where the Vencord is installed. Step number 2, create user plugins folder to navigate the SRC folder within the Vencord directory, as you can see here. Now create another folder and you can name it user plugins. If it's already in existence, you can leave it. Step number 3, install the plugins. By doing so, cloning from GitHub, use the git clone, and as you can see, this is a prompt which is /plugins -repository and then -URL, or you can go ahead and download it. As you can see, this is how the code will look like. The code is over here. If you want, you can copy it directly, or if you want, you can type it manually from your PC. After that, go ahead and build and then inject the plugin. After that, restart your Vencord and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.